Alright, well, let's see if this is recording. You'll have to forgive this because I am doing this with my DSLR. So, today from Be The Pro forums, I got myself the 3 amp oscillating multi-tool with 37 accessory parts. Let's open her up and see what we get. First of all, comes in an L-Box 2. Great storage system from Bosch. They all clip together. Nice hard cases. I know I like those. I know some people like the bags. Alright, open it up. First thing, obviously, comes with the paperwork, the owner's manual, the registration form. And we have the tool itself. This is the 3 amp version, it's the biggest one they make. It has the toolless blade change, nice little feature. Also comes with a swivel cord. This is a great feature. You're not always getting it wrapped up and tangled. That's a pretty long cord. That's not 6 feet. It's got to be close to 12-foot cord maybe. I would have to check the owner's manual to be sure on that. With the insert tray. Looks like plenty extra storage there, which is good because I've already picked up an extra blade and the depth stop for the tool. And then the blade and components. Sanding pad. Comes with a bunch of sandpaper. Alright, looks like red ones for wood. Comes with an 80 grit and a 120. And white ones for paint. 80 grit, 120, and looks like a 2, so 200 or 220 possibly. 5 packages. They all look like they are the same. So we can repack that. Alright. Get this one out of here. Looks like this is a grout removing tool, carbide bit, carbide grit I should say, another carbide grit. I would assume this is for smoothing concrete maybe, grinding down the surface. One wood metal, fine tooth. One rigid scraper blade. This is probably perfect for pulling up laminate flooring. Caulk. Maybe scrape old paint off window sashes. And then a good stack of blades here. Alright. One wood metal blade. One for wood. Caulking knife. Be real interested to see how that works in an oscillating mode. One metal plunge. One hardwood plunge. That's probably going to be my most used. And then 2 wood plunge bits. I guess this would be for softwoods, your pines. So probably cut the bottom of the door jamb wall. Put some of these back in here. Blade is on. Nice that the storage actually allows you to store with the blade on it. That will be a huge bonus, so if you use the blade often all the time. Anyway, here we have it, nice mailbox 2. And this is the Bosch Oscillating Multi-Tool MX30EL-37.